Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Blackstone Burger Press Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any home cook looking to elevate their burger game, transforming ordinary patties into perfectly seared, restaurant-quality masterpieces right in their own backyard, ensuring every bite is packed with incredible flavor and a satisfying crust that will have your family and friends begging for more. Number 5. Cuisinart 6.5 Cast Iron Smashed Burger Press. Introducing the Cuisinart 6.5 Cast Iron Smashed Burger Press. Achieve perfectly juicy and flavorful smashed burgers with its heavy-duty cast iron construction that ensures even pressure. Its flat edge is designed to help you achieve those irresistible crispy, caramelized edges. Get that classic smash burger taste every single time. This burger press is incredibly versatile. Use it on griddles, skillets, or grills, making it ideal for both indoor cooking and outdoor BBQs. Cleanup is a breeze. Simply hand wash it with warm water and mild soap for quick and hassle-free maintenance. Whether you're grilling at a barbecue or tailgating, this tool is your perfect companion for making amazing smash burgers. What we like. This press is built for serious burger enthusiasts. Its heavy-duty cast iron construction ensures even pressure for that perfect smash burger crust. If you love crispy, caramelized edges and want a versatile tool for your grill or griddle, this is the one for you. What people say. The press is heavy-duty and works great for smashing burgers. It comes with a spatula and a scraper which are very useful. The design is simple and effective, making it easy to use and clean. Number 4. Firsgrill Cast Iron Burger Press. Introducing the Firsgrill Burger Press, crafted from heavy-duty, food-grade cast iron. It's built to last and can be seasoned for a natural non-stick surface. Achieve beautiful, even grill marks with its equalized weight distribution. Simply preheat and press for perfect results on your favorite foods. This press helps your thin meats cook faster and more evenly. Spend less time cooking and more time enjoying your delicious meals. Featuring a stay cool wood handle, you can press and lift with confidence without needing cooking gloves. Enjoy a safe and easy cooking experience. Elevate your home cooking with this commercial-grade accessory. It's designed for griddle masters, allowing you to create restaurant-quality meals. What we like. Get ready for restaurant-quality burgers with this dual-shape press. Made from food-grade cast iron with a stay cool wood handle, it ensures even cooking and safe handling. If you're looking for a durable, versatile press that can handle both round and rectangular needs, and prioritizes safety, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The weight of the press is perfect for smashing burgers. It is easy to clean and maintain. The kit includes all the necessary accessories for making great burgers. Number 3. Blackstone 5024 Professional Hamburger Tool Kit. Introducing the Blackstone 5024 Professional Hamburger Tool Kit, your ultimate companion for grilling perfection. This comprehensive set is designed to help you create delicious burgers with ease. Achieve the perfect smashed burger every time with our heavy-gauge stainless steel press. Its raised edges ensure even cooking for patties up to 1-3 pounds, creating a consistent and satisfying texture. Elevate your burgers with the included spice dredge. Easily add your favorite seasonings to achieve that iconic taste and flavor that will impress everyone. Lock in flavor and create a coveted smash burger crust with our simple 3-step formula: press, season, and flip. This process ensures your burgers are juicy on the inside and perfectly seared on the outside. Flip even the largest burgers and steaks with confidence using our heavy-duty, wide stainless steel spatula. The heat-resistant handle provides a comfortable grip for quick and convenient flipping. The stainless steel press features beveled edges that effortlessly scrape and clean food debris from your griddle. This makes cleanup a breeze after creating your perfect burgers. With this press and sear burger kit, you have everything you need to create perfect burgers anytime, anywhere. Elevate your grilling experience with professional results. What we like. Elevate your burger game with this complete professional kit. It includes a stainless steel press, spatula, and spice shaker for the ultimate burger making experience. If you want a comprehensive set that allows you to press, season, and flip like a pro, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The Blackstone Burger Press Kit is a fantastic addition to any outdoor cooking setup. It's made of durable cast iron, which ensures even heating and a great sear on your burgers. The press itself is heavy enough to create those desirable smashed burger edges, and the included spatula makes flipping a breeze. Cleanup is surprisingly easy too, especially if you season it properly. I love how this kit helps me achieve restaurant-quality burgers at home. The press is well balanced and comfortable to hold, and the flat bottom gives you excellent control over the burger's shape and thickness. The scraper is also a handy tool for getting those crispy bits off the griddle. It's a simple yet effective design that really elevates the burger-making experience. Number 2. Blackstone 5085 Burger Press. Introducing the Blackstone 5085 Burger Press, your new go-to for creating perfectly even and consistent hamburgers. Make delicious burgers for everyone with this essential grilling accessory. Achieve that perfect smash burger every time. Its design helps you press and sear your patties, locking in flavor and creating an irresistible crust. With its raised edge, this tool ensures uniform smashed burgers, even with up to 1-3 pounds of meat. Enjoy perfectly formed patties for your next barbecue. The beveled edges aren't just for pressing, they make scraping your griddle a breeze. This technique, loved by top burger joints, is now easy for you. Enjoy perfectly shaped patties that release with ease thanks to the non-stick surface. Cleanup is just as simple, letting you focus on enjoying your meal. This versatile press isn't just for beef. Create delicious turkey burgers, salmon burgers, and more with perfect results every time. What we like. Achieve perfectly shaped, delicious burgers every time with this non-stick press. Its easy release surface and raised edges help create that coveted smash burger crust. If you're looking for a simple, mess-free way to make consistent, flavorful patties, especially for stuffed burgers or sliders, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The weight of the press is perfect for smashing burgers. It is easy to clean and doesn't rust. The scraper is a great addition and works well for cleaning the griddle. Number 1. Heavy-duty cast iron grill bacon press. Introducing our heavy-duty cast iron grill press, designed for the perfect sear every time. It ensures uniform heat and pressure for incredibly crispy and juicy results. Experience a comfortable and safe cooking experience with its stay-cool ergonomic wood handle. It's designed for a secure grip and built to last. Enjoy effortless cleanup with its smooth, non-stick, and anti-rust bottom. Plus, it's completely dishwasher safe, saving you time and hassle. This versatile tool is compatible with all your cooking surfaces. Use it on your griddle, grill, induction, gas, electric, or ceramic stovetops, perfect for indoor and outdoor cooking. Elevate your cooking with this multi-use press. It's ideal for crafting delicious burgers, bacon, steaks, paninis, and more, significantly cutting down your cooking time. What we like. Enjoy effortless burger making and cleanup with this cast iron press. Featuring a stay-cool wood handle and dishwasher-safe design, it's incredibly user-friendly. If you value convenience, safety, and a tool that can handle more than just burgers, like bacon, steak, or panini, this press is an ideal addition to your kitchen. What people say. The weight of the press is perfect for smashing burgers. It's easy to clean and doesn't stick. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.